Welcome to Creative World. In this video, we will solve Chapter 1 exercise problem number 43. While solving this problem, we will be using electrical power formula, that is the product of voltage and current, and Tellegens theorem. According to Tellegens theorem, power supplied to a network is always equal to the power consumed by the elements of that network. And if we add these two powers together, their result will be 0. We also will be using passive sign convention theory. According to this theory, elements with negative power will be considered as power supplier and elements with positive power will be considered as power absorber. Read the scenario, find the value of I naught in the circuit given below figure using Tellegens theorem. We have to calculate the value of I naught using Tellegens theorem. So without wasting time, let's proceed towards the solution. This is the circuit and we have to calculate I naught using Tellegens theorem. Before we use Tellegens theorem, we have to calculate and identify all the supplied and consumed powers in this network. We will start calculating power from element 1. Voltage across element 1 is 8 volt and current through it is 6 ampere. This current is entering from positive terminal, so this current will be taken with positive sign. Power of element 1 will be 48 watt. Because of positive sign, this power is being absorbed by element 1. Next is element 2. Voltage across this element 2 is 10 volt and current through it is 4 ampere. This current is entering from positive terminal, so this current will be taken with positive sign. Power of element 2 will be 40 watt and because of positive sign, this power is being absorbed by element 2. Next is element 3. Voltage across element 3 is 6 volt and current through it is I naught. This current is entering from positive terminal, so this current will be taken with positive sign and the power of element 3 will be 6 I naught watt. Because of positive sign, this power is being absorbed by element 3. Next is element 4. Voltage across element 4 is 16 volt and current through it is Ix, that is 2 ampere. And this current is entering from positive terminal, so this current will be taken with positive sign. Power of element 4 will be 16 multiplied by 2, that is 32 watt. Because of positive sign, this power is being absorbed by element 4. Next is element 5. Voltage across element 5 is 6 volt and current through it is 1 ampere. This current is entering from positive terminal and leaving from negative terminal. So this current will be taken with positive sign. Power of element 5 will be 6 multiplied by 1, that is 6 watt. Because of positive sign, this power is being absorbed by element 5. Next is element 6. Voltage across element 6 is 8 volt and current through it is 3 ampere. This current is entering from positive terminal, that's why it is taken with positive sign. Power of element 6 will be 24 watt. Because of positive sign, this element is absorbing power. Now moving towards sources, we have total 2 sources in this circuit. First one is voltage source. Power of this source will be voltage across it 24 volt and current through it, that is 6 ampere. This current is entering from negative terminal and leaving from positive terminal, so this current will be taken with minus sign. Power of this voltage source will be 24 multiplied by minus 6, that is minus 144 watt. Because of minus sign, this element is supplying power. Last element of the circuit is current controlled voltage source. Voltage across this source is 4Ix and the value of Ix is 2 ampere. So voltage across this source will be 8 volt, current through it is 3 ampere. This current is entering from negative terminal and leaving from positive terminal. So this current will be taken with minus sign. The power of this voltage source will be minus 24 watt. Because of minus sign, this source is supplying power. Now at this stage, we have calculated all supplied and consumed powers in this network. We can use Tellegens theorem to calculate the value of I naught. We know the basic equation of Tellegens theorem. If we add supplied and consumed power of a network, their result will be 0. Place all calculated supplied and consumed powers of this network in this equation. Rearrange the equation to separate variable from constants and do some mathematics to calculate value of I naught, that is 3 ampere. So this was chapter 1 exercise problem number 43. Thank you. See you again in next video.